Let's understand conditions for equilibrium of an object. If suppose that this is an object kept on a table, okay, this is object and this is one. This is, suppose it is ground or table, anything, the object is placed on the ground. What are the conditions for equilibrium? Means what? It is not moving, it is stable. One word for equilibrium is a stability. The object must have a stability. For equilibrium, condition number one is what? No linear motion, or translatory equilibrium you can say. Okay, no linear motion means what? There is no motion in the body in the either in this direction or this direction. Nowhere there is motion. The body is in a silent mode. Okay, no linear motion means you can say the forces acting on the body cancels each other and it becomes zero. Okay, it means what? You can say resultant force is zero. Okay, resultant force is zero. This is force. Resultant force is zero. This is special. So resultant force. Okay, and for linear motion. Okay, and also there is no rotational motion. Neither it is linear motion, neither it is rotational motion. No rotational motion means what? Either it is not moving in a straight line or in any angular way. Okay, so the rotational means what? The force you can say here torque will work. Okay, torque due to forces on the object cancels each other and that is zero. Resultant torque, because we know in rotational motion torque is an effective force. Okay, resultant torque is zero. When resultant force and resultant torque both are zero for an object, the object is said to be in equilibrium. Okay, these are the two conditions. No linear motion means sum of all the forces cancels each other and it will be zero. Resultant will be zero, and all the torques cancel each other and it will have no rotational motion. So following these two conditions, the object will be in equilibrium. Okay, these are the two conditions to be noted. Thank you.